Most people want to feel happier, yet for many of us, happiness feels strangely difficult to hold on to. Hello, I'm Sahar. In this series, Authentic Happiness, I want to help you build a set of psychological skills and strategies that research consistently links to a rich, meaningful life, even when life includes deep and unavoidable suffering. Research is only part of why I trust these tools. I have seen their impact in the lives of many clients, in people close to me, and in my own life as well. Let me say this clearly from the beginning. I am not here to minimize your problems. I know they are real, and I know they can be painful. What I am inviting you to do is to move through this program patiently, video by video, practicing along the way. Think of this series as a puzzle. Each piece may seem small on its own, but together they form a complete picture. By the end of this journey, you will have a full set of psychological tools to help you approach your challenges in a more skillful and empowered way. Quick note before we continue, this is not therapy and it is not a treatment for mental disorders. The skills you learn here can absolutely support you in dealing more effectively with issues like anxiety or depression, but if you are struggling with a clinical condition, please seek professional support from a qualified therapist. If this kind of science-based practical psychology is what you are looking for, subscribe now, because this series is designed to build step by step. So what will you actually learn here? You will learn tools that help you address your problems in two ways. If a problem can be solved, these skills will guide you step by step toward meaningful action. If a problem cannot be solved, they will help you build the best possible life alongside it while responding to the unavoidable pain that comes with being human. That is the core message. Be patient and move step by step. Let me give you an overview of what we will explore. First, we will talk about why happiness is often so difficult for human beings and how easily we fall into what I call happiness traps, the unhelpful strategies we use in our desperate attempts to feel good, which often lead to frustration and long-term dissatisfaction. Then we will examine the building blocks of authentic happiness and begin taking small, concrete steps toward the life we want to live and the person we want to become. We will also explore how hard we try to get rid of uncomfortable thoughts and emotions and how much energy we spend avoiding them, even though they are completely normal and natural parts of human experience. You will learn how to step out of that struggle. In later videos, we will look at the benefits of mindfulness. You will learn how to focus your attention, how to be present here and now, so you can appreciate life's pleasures more fully and respond to its challenges more effectively. We will talk about identifying your core values so you can create a sense of meaning and purpose in your life and build a source of motivation and inspiration rooted in what truly matters to you. You will also learn how to make space for difficult emotions such as anxiety, guilt, sadness, and others, expanding your capacity to hold these feelings, allowing them to move through you without letting them control you or block your growth. And instead of judging yourself harshly, you will learn how to treat yourself with kindness and compassion. Finally, you will learn how to use all of these tools to step out of your comfort zone, to act like the person you want to be, and to take committed action toward a deeper, more authentic form of happiness. Let me end with a simple example. Imagine one of your current struggles is procrastination. Maybe you keep postponing going to the gym or making an important career change. In that case, you may need to learn how to unhook from unhelpful thoughts that keep repeating in your mind. You may need to create space for uncomfortable feelings like anxiety. You may need to reconnect with your values, what truly matters to you, to find motivation and direction. And you may need committed action skills to keep going, even when things feel difficult. This is just one example. For almost any challenge you face, you will likely need tools from different parts of this program, and the real power lies in combining them. Before you go, I'd love to hear from you in the comments. What is one area of your life where you want more authentic happiness? Your relationships, your work, your health, or your inner world?